Publishing a hardcover book on Amazon can feel a little intimidating, especially if it is your first time. And while these details section might seem basic, it's important to get it right because some of it can be changed later. Start by choosing your language, then enter your book title exactly as it appears on your cover. You can add a subtitle, and if your book is part of a series or has an edition number, you can include those too. Or you can skip that for now. Next, type your author name or pen name. And be sure the spelling is right since it's locked once published. You can also list any contributors like editors or illustrators. Then write your book description. You get up to 4,000 characters, and don't worry, this part can be updated later as well. Under publishing rights, confirm that you own the copyright. Next, let Amazon know if there's any explicit content. Usually that's no. You can also add a target age range, but that's optional. Pick your primary marketplace, usually Amazon.com, then choose up to three categories to describe your book. If it is a low content book like a puzzle or journal, make sure to check that box. And don't forget your keywords. That's up to 7 phrases that help readers find your book. Last step, choose your publication date, either now or scheduled, and hit save and continue. And if you want help designing your cover, formatting your interior, or finding the right keywords faster, I've linked my favorite tool below. It really simplifies the whole process. The tool I'm referring to is called BookBolt. It is an all-in-one platform for designing your covers and interiors, finding good keywords, and researching profitable niches. They even offer a 3-day free trial with no credit card needed, so you can test everything out first. The research tools are especially helpful. You can see what types of books are actually selling, get keyword ideas, and find underserved niches, which makes your book way more likely to stand out. And inside a BookBolt Studio, you will get drag and drop design tools, pre made interiors, and tons of fonts and graphics. Everything is royalty free and made for publishing. And if you're planning to make puzzle books like word searches or mazes, this part is super underrated. You can literally generate puzzle pages in one click and customize everything. I've linked it down below so you can check it out. Honestly, BookBolt saves me hours of work, especially when I'm publishing books consistently. So if you're just getting started, it's definitely worth trying.